Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating study that's giving us a glimpse into the minds of mice. You read that right. Scientists have managed to reconstruct short movies from the brain activity of mice, and it's mind-blowing. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. First off, imagine being able to see what a mouse sees. It's like having a secret portal into their world. Well, that's exactly what this research aims to do. By using an infrared laser to record neuron firing patterns in the visual cortex of mice, scientists have been able to predict and reconstruct what these tiny creatures are watching. And the results are pretty wild. The videos they've reconstructed are grainy and pixelated, but they give us a glimpse into the mouse's perception. We're talking about gymnastics, horse riding, and wrestling, all through the eyes of a mouse. It's like watching a foreign film without subtitles, but it's still captivating. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. As technology advances, scientists hope to expand this research. They want to eavesdrop on a richer suite of animal perceptions, gaining insights into how animals experience their surroundings. Imagine being able to understand what animals dream about or how they react to optical illusions. It's a whole new level of animal understanding. But it's not without its challenges. Mice have poor eyesight compared to humans, so the reconstructed videos might never be as clear. However, scientists are optimistic that they can make the footage about 7 times sharper. And that's just the beginning. The ultimate goal is to reconstruct the entire field of view of the animal, drawing on brain activity from both eyes. Now, here's where it gets a bit more complex and controversial. Dr. Joel Bauer from University College London is excited about reading animal brains, but he's more cautious about parallel work in humans. He warns that reconstructing what humans see or imagine could infringe on our privacy. He emphasizes the importance of protecting our neural data and the privacy it entails. In the future, this research could lead to a deeper understanding of animal experiences, potentially allowing us to empathize with other species. Could we finally understand what it's like to be a bat? It's a mind-bending thought, and it raises a lot of questions. What do you think? Is this the future of animal understanding, or are there ethical boundaries we need to consider? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you next time.